What are you wearing
I'm wearing
on your face?
upside down sunglasses.
Why are they upside down?
Because I like it that way.
Is it stylish?
Mhm.
Are you sure?
Mhm. I'm sure.
Well, let's see you. What you got? You got a bucket on your head? What you gonna do now that you got it on your head?
Bucket?
Bucket?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
Read.
Huh?
I read. You have a recording. No here, Gabby. I'm watching. Trevor, take off the head.
So.
What about me?
Piper's being silly, isn't she? Piper, can you do the fashion what mommy likes you to do? No.
About the side babies. I'm eating. There you go. I'm eating.
You're what?
I'm eating. What is Piper doing? Not Daddy.
What does it look like she's doing?
She's putting her putting that bucket off her head.